Okay, you guys, this is me on my motorcycle. I'm heading out to pick up the kids. It's a very lovely day, sunny and humid and hot, like always in Jakarta. Although it's now rainy season, so it should not be this damp, But we do what we must. We do what we can, right? So this is how you traverse the traffic here in Jakarta. There are lots and lots of motorcycles everywhere. Everybody's always looking for the best way to get around, especially when there are lots of cars. You'll see that they're often quite tricky in the way they handle their motorcycle, and they will slip past by you, and you just have to basically take good care, and you need to look very good, and you need to be on your toes at all times. This is midday, so it's often quite busy on the streets here in Jakarta. So I will go to the left if anyone won't mind. Normally I go right because it's much shorter, but you go basically you go to the opposite direction. It's only one way there, so you're breaking the law. Normally I would just zoom past this car on the left or on the right, but since I'm recording this, I'm gonna be on my best behavior, so keep that in mind. If you want to drive here in Jakarta or in Indonesia, you always drive like crazy sometimes. My motorcycle can handle the speed. I can pull up quite easily, but since I'm in no rush, so I'm just gonna take it easy. But sometimes you just have to go. Okay, let's go to the right. So this is you have to drive left in Jakarta. The first time I rode my motorcycle, it was like, it's like a shock to me because I normally drive on the on the right side of the road because I'm from Europe. There's nothing there. There's nobody there, man. So it is you handle the situation here. So you have to be very mindful of the situation. You need to check where you can go past any vehicle, especially cars. Need also to be on the lookout on the left side, on the right side, in front. You don't have to look in the back because you have to only control, right? Like people like this, stuff like that. You have to be very mindful and truck like this. If you can go past it, but I'm almost here. I'm almost at my destination. You see that? Those guys are driving like crazy. So yeah, you need to have very quick reflexes. So I asked you guys. So take care. See you guys in the next video. Yeah.